Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on XIAOMI 12T Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, try to find Google Classroom. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to run the app. Right here, click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use. Then click on this plus button, join the class. Enter the class code in a pool right here, and then click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.